guys, Coach here. How you doing? Hey, I'm out at the nursery this afternoon and I spotted two, but I'm going to share one with you this week. What I want to introduce you to this week is the Sunshine Ligustrum. It's a, as you can see, kind of a chartreuse, great contrast plant, especially with things like barberry or dwarf loropetalum, something like that. This has the chartreuse, and the more sun it gets, the more chartreuse it gets. It's kind of in a filtered sun in here, so it's kind of dampened it down just a little bit. Really controllable. It only goes like 3 to 6 feet tall and about 4 feet wide, so it's not a big privet at all. And excellent contrast foliage, very little maintenance, full sun. It can take a little bit of shade in the late afternoon, especially if you're in harsh environments. But hey, we're down here in Mississippi now, and this is becoming a very popular landscape shrub. Indeed. Take a look. Next time you're at your local mom and pop or your garden center, ask for Sunshine Ligustrum, a fantastic multi-purpose plant, great for small hedges, great contrast plant, and very little maintenance. Hey, this is Coach. I appreciate you looking in. Check out some of the other plants of the week and the videos, okay? Take care. See you next week.